myself Chandrima Datta, Assistant Professor of Hospital Management. So here we have come for our third visit in Durgapur, IKO city. This is a part of the syllabus of our ISHM students.
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Ghosh, studying Hospital Administration from ISHM, and today we came to IQ City Medical College and Hospital for our third industry visit. It has been really a great experience for all of us. We learnt a lot.
We are visited today. It has various departments that are including IPD, OPD,
and we could see today there were cardiology department. We saw the inside room of the MRI.
There are various rooms that including NICU, PICU, RICU, and also there are X-ray department also we have seen there where the X-rays are going to handled by the staffs, and also there are some ICU department that are also very vital and also very critically restricted area, which on those areas which are not allowed to go because it is a very restricted zone, but we have visited outside and we have seen all the machines, instruments that are in the hospital which are very vital for the patient party which are here. There are some sterilized department also which is very important in the hospital.
The first department that we saw when we came, it was the reception where all the inquiries are done. Altogether it was a very great experience, and we traveled from Kolkata. We had a long journey and finally we could see the good result of this hospital, and we are actually very happy.
Which we are very thankful,
and it was a nice experience. Thank you.